Hello, Ricardo here from Easy Access. Today we're going to show you how to set up our mini mobile scaffolding range. We're going to show you the different pack sizes along the way and how versatile this little piece of kit is. It's made in New Zealand, got a fully welded frame and has a load rating of 225 kgs on the platform. And this pack comes with a lot of add-ons. It has a spanning pack to go between two mini mobiles for facade work. It has a stair pack, and it has a corner pack, so it can be used around the side of a house. Very versatile little system this, and let's get into it, show you how it's done.
Before we get into it, it's important to note that we recommend checking for damage such as dents, cracks and buckling regularly. Because this has just come off our production line and has been quality checked, we can get straight into it. To kick things off, we want to start by getting one of our end frames, and we're going to simply attach the cross brace to it. We simply slide the cross brace onto the anti-loose locks in the open position. We simply lock the brace into place by flipping over the anti-loose locks. Now the tower is braced, we can lean this against the ground and go grab the other end frame. This can simply be attached the same way as the first. This bracing system is very fast to set up and is one of the unique features about the mini mobile range. Next up, we can insert our first platform. You'll find the instructions on how to set up the scaffold and more information on the bottom of the platform. We're going to run through the different pack sizes as we build this tower. To make the smallest model, which is a mini mobile 210 model, we simply insert the platform on the third rung up, and this completes the mini mobile 210 model, which has a platform height of 0.9 meters. Now we're going to show you the mini mobile 250 model. And the first step here is to lift the platform up onto the top rung of the mini mobile end frames. Now we're going to add the mini mobile guardrail frames to create the 250 model. These simply slot into the base frames and are hand tightened. Next up, we want to insert the outriggers. We're using our smallest outriggers for this mini mobile 250 model, as this is all it requires. As we build up, we'll need larger outriggers. These are attached facing outwards from the side of the tower, and are also simply hand tightened. Now I'm going to climb up through and sit on the platform so I can install the guardrails. Please note it's much safer to sit than stand since there are no guardrails yet. The guardrails are very simple to attach. Simply pull the pin out on the grasper and this will allow the guardrail to engage into place. These should snap lock on easily. It's very important to install these on the inside of the tower facing outwards. If they are sitting on the outside of the tower, they can pop off with pressure. This is the mini mobile 250 model finished. This has a platform height of 1.9 meters, meaning you can reach up to around 3.9 meters. As you would have noticed, it's taking us very quickly to set this up. The beauty of the mini mobile system. Next up, we're going to install the largest model. There is one in between, but we're going to skip this. So the largest model is called the mini mobile 410 model and has a reach height of 4.7 meters. To do this, we need to remove the guardrails and the guardrail frames. We're also going to put the platform down on the third rung down from the top, as this will enable us to set up the rest of the tower. Now we can go ahead and install the metal spigots. These simply slide into the top of the end frames. It's best to have the bolts facing out. We're going to install guardrails just above the top rung of the end frames on both sides, so we've got a temporary fall protection while we set up the rest of the tower. Now we want to install our larger outriggers. So these outriggers are required when we're going to the full height of the mini mobile 410 model. These go out directly from the side of the tower and increase the base of support that the tower has. The outriggers adjust to fit the ground that the tower is sitting on and are simply hand tightened. Now I'm going to climb up through and stand on the platform so we can install the next end frames. It's important to have the anti-loose locks on the same side of the tower so the bracing will fit on the next stage. Now we want to add the next brace. These simply slide over the anti-loose locks and flip the locks into place to secure the two frames together. Now we need to go ahead and tighten the bolt on the spigots that sits between the two end frames. This can be done by hand initially, but must be tightened by a spanner or a crescent to tighten all the way out. Little hack for you, it's easiest to install the scissor bracing first as we've done before we tighten up the spigots, as there's more flexibility in the tower to install that brace when we're putting it in. Now we can move the guardrail on the open side without the scissor brace up a few notches to provide the temporary guardrail as we build the next stage. We're going to remove the guardrail on the opposite side for now, as the scissor brace will provide as a temporary edge protection. We're now going to move the platform up to the very top rung of the first end frames. You'll notice the Mini Mobile platforms have a channel down the very end of the platforms. This is instead of the traditional two hooks. This channel locks off the platform right across the width of the tower, making the mobile scaffold more stable overall. I'm going to move the guardrail up a couple of notches now that I'm up here as a temporary guardrail. From here we need to install our next platform. This goes on the very top rung of the second end frames. Now we're going to install the guardrail end frames. This can be done from within the footprint of the tower as I'm showing. These guardrail end frames are simply hand tightened as we showed you with the 250 model. Next up we're going to install the guardrails. So I'm going to climb up through like I did before, sit down on the platform, and from there I can snap on the guardrails into place. As previously mentioned, we install these on the inside of the tower, not the outside, as they can pop off if they're on the outside. We also put them just above the rungs so they are nice and snug and obviously lock off onto the tubular frames. The final step is to install the toe board. This simply folds out and slots over the footprint of the platform. Thanks for watching along, and we hope these instructions are helpful so you can start using your own kit. The Mini Mobile system is truly one of the most versatile, user-friendly, fast mobile scaffolds to set up and can be used in so many applications, from DIY projects through to commercial construction, on stairs, around corners, spanning along the side of a house, and so much more. To find out more about the Mini Mobile range, which is made in NZ, head to our website.